Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am clearly losing my voice, so I'm gonna go to the urgent care. I'm at home on Long Island for a few days, but first I had to get a coffee, and I got a medicine ball tea, and I got some other stuff. Yeah, I have another like full weekend of plans ahead, so I am like, and it honestly hurts to even talk, so I'm like, I really need to go to the urgent care and get that checked out. I don't know what it could possibly be, if it's strep or whatever, because that's my only like ailment that I don't feel 100% with, but it's definitely not great. Like, what's happening? My lens is fogging up really quickly due to the humidity. Yeah, if I'm being honest, I'm pretty stressed right now. I feel like I just need to cry it out. I'm very stressed. I'm not feeling well. I have so much to do. A lot of it requires talking, and unfortunately my voice isn't in its proper form. I'm just like really stressed. I just need to have a stress cry. I got a medicine ball tea from Starbucks, so that's making me happy, but I'm at home, so I feel like I don't have everything that I have in my apartment normally, but I'm stressed. Like, I feel like I need to be back in the city. Like, I'm just like very like chaotically brained right now, and like sometimes I just need a second for like my anxieties and everything to like chill. I'm gonna be okay, and I'm gonna go to the doctor, and hopefully everything is okay, even though my throat's like on fire, so assuming something's up, but we'll figure that out in a sec, right? All right, I'm going in now. I'll see you on the other side. All right, the good news is it's just a cold, mostly in my sinuses. So that's actually really good news. And they got me in and out, so really thankful. I'm gonna get antibiotic and like a nose spray. So I'm just gonna try to take it easy on my voice the next like few days, 2 days really, get on my antibiotic. And right now I'm drinking a medicine ball, I think I told you guys, from Starbucks, which is really just a honey citrus mint tea. It's really good if you're ever like feeling like sore throaty, like just feeling a little under the weather, like this really helps. And he told me to drink a lot of, or eat, I guess, a lot of soup, do a lot of like hot water gargles, stuff like that, which I feel like I knew. I feel like I'm always getting colds, especially now that we're like not wearing our masks as much. That makes perfect sense. He said he's gonna send it to my pharmacy, so let's see. It's a little bit later and I'm sitting here now submitting some content to a brand. It's funny, we have the AC pumping, so I'm like kind of chilly, so I put on a sweatshirt. I am having one of those days where I just feel like nothing is going my way, and it absolutely sucks. And I think I'm just like in the negative headspace now, so I'm just like spiraling down, and it's not great. It started off with me not feeling well. Look how greasy my damn hair is. I am not doing well, okay? My room is a mess, and this is just my room at home. My apartment's an even bigger mess. So I decided this is gonna be a getting my life together vlog. But I have so much stuff to do. I'm not gonna cry again. I already had my one cry of the day, and I know why I did, because I'm also on my period. So it's literally just everything. I'm sick, I'm on my period. I have so much to do. I'm coming off of a holiday weekend. I just feel very chaotic. Very chaotic right now. It's not great, but luckily I'm catching up on everything now, and that's all that you can do. My therapist used to tell me all you can do is just breathe when you're having one of these moments, you know, like I can just sit here and breathe. You're gonna be okay. All right, I cleaned up a little bit. I have some PR accumulating over here. A lot of people ask me what I do with my PR. I actually bring it all home, and then what I do is I have one day where I invite over like friends, family, whoever, and have almost like a little like Brooke Christmas, like literally like lay out the stuff, and then everything that's left over, which there is still stuff left over, I bring and I donate. I just gasped for air there. I'm gonna try to leave tomorrow morning. I think I need to do something tomorrow. I'm waiting for like a package to come that's like getting overnighted, whatever. Might wear that dress tomorrow. But anyways, so today was really just that sort of stuff, and I did a little bit of reading before. I'm reading The Power of Now. It's definitely a dense read. That's my problem with nonfiction, is that I work through it a lot slower than I do fiction, just because you have to really hang on every word and like really process it, versus I feel like fiction is it's just lighter reads. If you're looking to clean up your room and like want to like get productive and whatever, listen to Gals on the Go while you do it, because that is the best way to do it. I feel like podcasts are so great for cooking, cleaning, like whenever you want background noise, and I really like this episode we just did, How to Have a Hot Girl Summer. Just gotta slide. Look who it is. Mismatching socks. You're so cute. Alright, we just watched Big Brother and Love Island. Both shows are going to be phenomenal this year. I'm so beyond excited. I wasn't gonna do Love Island, and I'm probably not gonna watch it like in real time, but I'm gonna try to catch up. I'm a big reality TV watcher, and this is the season. Big Brother is always my jam. And then Love Island. They're both on CBS, by the way. I think you can stream them the next day on Paramount Plus, which is probably what I'll end up doing a lot of the time, just because it's on at like, a lot of them are on many days a week and in the evening times, like if I'm doing anything social, you know. I socialize. I am gonna go to bed, try to get some rest, and I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, we're finally going home, back to the city. I mean, I am in my car right now. I do still park my car in the city. A lot of questions about that. It's exuberant. It's exuberant. The price. I don't know how much longer I'll do it. Definitely through the summer. Like, I'm heading down to the shore in a few days. Luckily, hopefully my cold will be taken care of. I am feeling a lot better already. It's like when I go to sleep, like I have that tickle in my throat. I think I'm gonna go to Dunkin' right now though. Maybe get a little iced coffee for the road. Roadie. I'm like losing my mind right now, I think. The elevator in my building was broken. I wonder if they've fixed it. Yeah, just a whole lot of problems. So, not actually, all like annoying problems, but what else? I actually put on makeup today, so that's nice. I always feel so much better about myself when I do. Now I'm like taking Snapchats. I'm like, wow, who is this girl? Yeah, apparently there's gonna be a good amount of traffic, so that's why I want this iced coffee to sit in the traffic with me. Also, look at how long my hair's gotten. I'm really happy with it. I want it to keep on growing, baby. I don't know if I've showed you guys. I got my nails done last week, I think. Yeah, I think I've shown you guys. And that's all for right now. Let's keep on driving, baby. Can I please get a medium iced coffee with 2 pumps of caramel and almond milk? Can I get a veggie egg white wake up wrap? Thanks so much. That got me thinking. Let me know if you guys want to see another like Starbucks Dunkin' orders video. I haven't done one of those in a while and those used to be so fun. So let me know. I feel like I should do those again. She's a beauty. Cheers. We're back, baby. Back in the apartment. I have some mail that I wanted to do a little haul of. Not much, actually. I was expecting more packages. First up, I ordered this myself. I've been using my ice roller pretty much every day, so I decided to splurge and get the Skinny Confidential ice roller. I'm a huge fan of Lauren, and the packaging on this really doesn't disappoint. So basically it's like this big, heavy duty, oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Has a nice thumbprint. Wow, I think I honestly might like be bringing this around. Whoa. It is really cold, but I'm gonna throw it in the freezer obviously. So this is good for when you're hungover. Honestly, not only for just depuffing, but like when you're hungover, my friend Alicia does this. She puts ice like on her face when she's really hungover and it helps with like headaches and stuff. So very excited for this. Gonna throw that in the freezer. Oh, I also, very exciting, just signed my lease. My new lease actually doesn't start until October 1st. So I'll be in this apartment till October 1st. So we'll have plenty of time to prep and plan for the next move to my larger apartment, which is gonna be so exciting. I am so excited for it, but like the wait is actually like letting me like build hype for it instead of just like it happening. So I'm excited. Okay, I got Chomp's turkey jerky sticks. I always like to have these on hand. I think I have one left. So I kind of have like the rotation of these constantly. These, I pretty much have one a day. One of my favorite snacks. They are just like this stick. It's good to have. This is inspired by a TikTok I saw. I saw a TikTok of this girl trying on this bodysuit and she was like, you need this bodysuit, whatever. And she had like a larger chest and it looked amazing on her. She got it in a different color. I decided to get white. White's kind of like my color, especially for the summer with dark hair. I think that it's just like nice. Even though I'm here for a bold color too, but I was like, okay, this with like jeans or something would look nice. Cute. It looks like it could be like a bathing suit, but it's a bodysuit. I actually like that it has like a bra type of like cup. I actually really like that. Cool, maybe I'll pack this on my trip because I'm going to the Jersey Shore tomorrow. Literally comes back for one day. Gal on the go, baby, let's go. Okay, that's it for the packages. Now I have to clean. When I left my apartment, I left literally from 4th of July. I had a pregame here, so I left all the shot glasses in the sink. It's all dirty. It needs to be tidied, so I'm gonna speed through some of these clips of me organizing my life, and I hope you guys like it. Now I took off my makeup, put on my acne stickers, and I'm gonna roll a little bit. Oh, it feels so good under the eyes. Oh my God, it's really, really cold. It's like icy cold and I didn't even have it in that long. Oh, love it. I kind of want to watch the new Gossip Girl, but I also have some work to do. So I'm like, what should we do? Maybe a midday break, watch the new Gossip Girl, work after. Check out this crazy monsoon. Seriously, it's raining so much. It's like a vibe kind of. Starting to plan outfits for the weekend trip. I have some items from Fashion Pass. You can use the code Brooke to save. I think I'm gonna wear this black dress tomorrow, like when we go to dinner. And then for like the day fit, I might wear this new bodysuit, the one that I just got, which I can link down below. Is like $15 on Amazon. Or I might wear this top that once again I got from Fashion Pass. I have like my bras and stuff. The cup bras are the best. And then some jean options or some shorts, but I've been into jeans actually instead of jean shorts. Luckily, before it started raining, I thought to order food. Before the rain, I ordered my kava bowl. This is what the order is. I just got a salad today, a little bit healthier. And I got a side of even more. I keep pronouncing this wrong. I was always told my whole life it was tzatziki, and then now I watched a video and I think it's not that. So you're just gonna have to interpret that for your own whatever. I got a side of it too. I ordered before the rain. I was like, oh, I'll eat this for dinner, but now it's like, it's almost 5, so I'll eat it at like 5:30. Just wanted to show you, I got excited. My little review of just the first episode of Gossip Girl was that it's good. I really like it. Definitely way different than the original, like so different and so modern, but I really like it. And you can watch on HBO Max. I think you could watch it like in real time on HBO, but I just do like, honestly, everything these days I do it through like the streaming services, whether that's like Paramount Plus or like HBO Max. Like I feel like I have them all and it is what it is. Speaking of that, kind of in the mood while I do some emails and things to watch the Icarly reboot, which they've been putting out episodes every few weeks. I just like feel like with this rain and everything, I was just watching Mayor of Easttown, which I really want to finish, but it's really sad and it just gets me down. I think like I really feel the feelings of TV shows, especially like the moodiness of them. So I think I'm gonna watch an episode of the Icarly reboot. A lot of these shows only release new episodes weekly, which honestly, you know, I know why they do it. Like that's how like TV normally is. But I am like, I want it all at once. I want to binge. But I know that's like our generation, I guess. I say that to my parents and they're like, you don't even know. I'm like, I know. Let's see. I think it's new. Yay. It's really good too, if you haven't watched this. Finally, the rest of my packages that I knew were coming came. I don't even know what I'm wearing right now. I'm just wearing these comfy shorts from ASOS and this big t-shirt, so no judgments, okay? I'm working with Dormify, which I'm so excited. If you guys don't know, I've been working with them like on and off for many years, but I actually started, like I met them and everything so organically, and I love the company. The CEO is a female and like the whole team is mostly females. It's like phenomenal and I just love their stuff. I got some new pillows to kind of give my apartment a little refresh, and it'll be perfect for when I eventually do move. I'll do a little haul, I guess. I got this guy. This is like a nice little like tan pillow. I'll show you guys what my bed looks like too, because I really like these. This one, ooh, it's like gray kind of. These are big though. They're nice and big and fluffy. Another one, this is just like a white one with like tassels on it. I'm gonna see if I can get a coupon code too. I think I am, and I might be sharing that on Instagram, but I'm gonna try to get one for you guys. I'm really excited about this. This is a LED color changer for my shower. I shower with the lights off a lot of times, so I thought this would be really fun. And then I got just a little candle. Honestly, just for display purposes. I see a lot of people are doing these like fun shaped candles. And I have a lot of green elements out here in the living room, so I thought that would be fun. Let's refresh my bed though. So this is obviously what I have so far. A lot of these actually, a few of them actually are Dormify already. Like this one is, I did an apartment tour, so you could like see like the specifics linked in that. I'm gonna take these out of the plastic. I don't know, I feel like these people these days have like really nice like bed setups, and not that mine isn't nice. Like I love my Brooklinen comforter and sheets, which make it super comfy. But in terms of like the pillows, I'm like, I might need a little upgrade, you know? I really like this big guy. We're getting funky with it. I rearranged. What do we think of this? I took some off. This is Dormify, this is Dormify, this is Target CB2 Jonathan Adler. I don't know, I like that the two big back ones are. It's obviously like mismatchy. Like I feel like I should have gotten 2 of that one. Please comment below your opinions. I took away the pink one and just left them all neutral because the wall's pink anyway, so I think that's okay. I also have this one, or this like tassel guy that I could throw in there too. I have like a mix of like whites, creams, whatever, but I might put this one out in the living room. Like I could obviously take away this and like do something like that, but I feel like this is such an accent pillow that I do like it. When I have more room with like a living room, I'm probably gonna have either some kind of other couch, chair situation, so I'll have more room for even more pillows. But what are we thinking? A nice little refresh. I like doing stuff like this every now and again. It is so much later. I'm going to self-tan now. I was gonna do a tutorial, but then I realized that I have to like put on a bathing suit and like do a whole bit. But I'm gonna use the Bondi Sands 1 Hour Express. Honestly, I haven't self-tanned all summer and I really didn't plan on it. However, I am going to the beach and gonna be in a bathing suit and like little shorts and a shirt, and I'm not as tan as I would like to be for the summer. So I'm just gonna do like 1 coat of it, just like an Hour Express, just to boost the confidence. And I really like this one. I just used the mitt that it comes with. So I'm gonna do this. I'm watching Love Island now, and I'll sit with it on for an hour and then shower it off. My hair is also so greasy and gross, so I'm gonna use some dry shampoo. I would obviously wash it, But I'm actually going to SoulCycle tomorrow morning before I head out. So dry shampoo it is. All right, guys, it's the next day. I tanned my body and then I just put on self-tanner on my face, the Tan Luxe face drops with my CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I'll quickly show you like the packing progress because I'm going to the Jersey Shore to visit. My friend Jessie from college lives there. I was told I'm good to go, even like with the cold and everything, and it's just a cold, so that's good. Last night I had like a crazy coughing fit though, but I think the medicine's helping and I've been taking like Mucinex and stuff, so we're good. I'm bringing this book to start. I'm almost finished. I think I'm gonna try to finish it right before we leave with one last stop. I only have like 100 pages left, so I'm gonna try to like really finish this right now. And then I'm bringing this book to read on the beach tomorrow, or like if we sit outside or whatever. If we have time. I think that we are going to though. So I packed everything in like tote bags. I have outfits in here. Brought like 2 bathing suits, some clothes. It's literally just Friday, Saturday, and then I think we're driving back Sunday. I'm going with Alicia and we are gonna drive because I have my car in the city. This tote bag is from Baked by Melissa. I'm bringing some seltzers that I was sent, hair tools, random like athletic wear, my medications in there. I really like this tote bag from ASOS. Just packing a tote bag's easy because I can just like throw it all over my shoulder, walk to my car, you know. For the car, I think I'm just gonna wear these comfy ASOS shorts I was wearing yesterday, white tee from Free People, and then just my Veja white sneakers. So I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Thanks for watching me get my life together. I actually feel like I did a lot. I was gonna like wash my sheets and do even more, but I didn't have time quite for like all of that. But luckily we are coming back Sunday, so I should have a little bit of time then to like do it before the week. But a fun weekly vlog will come next, and I planned for some other videos and stuff. Yesterday I actually really liked the color of this tan. It was looking a little green, like cool undertoned yesterday, but I think it looks really, really good right now. All right, love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Subscribe if you're new. Bye.